Hey guys, it's me, the Charger Carter. I know that you guys are used to cooking out here, but I'm starting a new series on my channel called it's Airsoft with Carter. I'm going to be talking about airsoft guns. So let's just jump into this review. First, we have the Double Eagle pistol. I don't know where I bought it, but it was very cheap and very good. If you can see, it has a broken sight here. That's because it's plastic. Yeah, it's spring, so. And also we have 3 targets down there. We're going to use 1 target for each gun. So here we go. I'm going to shoot with the one with the white zombie. Lower. And that's it. It's a single, and let's go up and inspect the targets. Green means kill, yellow means wounded, white means miss. We got yellow here, here, green and yellow here, here, and here. Looks like my first shot's killed him. Next shots I try to wound him. And this guy's out. So let's go to the next gun. The next gun is this shotgun. My little brother got this at the Sports Authority for like $20. The magazine's kind of weird for reloading. You have to pull this down and do this, and just watch as they go in. And right now we're going to shoot it. We're going to shoot the twins. Yeah, and I'm out of ammo. It goes really quick, so let's go and inspect the targets. Well, right here, I got 2 kill shots, my first 2 shots. Then I did the same for him, missed him, but hit him twice more. And I shot, my final shot was right here. As you can see, I missed and got some yellow. So let's go to the third gun. And this is my baby. This is the Double Eagle M83 assault rifle. And it's actually pretty good. It came with a stock, came with barrel suppressor. It has a adjustable stock. Got this for Amazon for $83. Good starter weapon, good little weapon. It's plastic, as you can hear, but it has a metal gearbox and a 30-round magazine. So let's see what we can do to this bad boy. We're going to hit the top one. Now we're going to go fully auto. Merry Christmas! That's it. Yeah, that one's pretty good. And now let's go inspect the targets. I just went to town on this guy. It has a lower FPS than this guy that doesn't have enough paint, but as you can see, highly effective here, and yeah, pretty good. Hey guys, it's me, Carter. I'm doing a selfie right now. I know it's so mainstream. And my brother is going to shoot with his gun. And then let's see what damage he does.
find the last bag. There we go.
So let's inspect the targets. Holy crap.
That's more shots than you ever got with them.
Yeah, because I have limited magazines. But you did miss a couple times.
Oh yeah? Well, look at this guy. After you were done with him, this is what I did to him.
You still missed.
Look at all that. The green does not lie.
No, it doesn't. Hey guys, it's me again with my rifle. Now I'm going to really prove the accuracy. The downrange, we have the root beer can. If somebody can look down there real quick. Well, yeah, the top can above the green zombie. So yeah,
It's the big shiny thing on top of the triangle of zombie posters.
Yeah, well, I'm going to shoot it to prove the accuracy. Okay, let's go down range.
Boo doo boo doo boo 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 doo boo doo boo 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 doo boo boo doo boo doo boo
Hopefully you can get it good. I still have some ammo left, so let's use it.
Wait. Let's check. And
Yeah, I shot it a couple
it's
of
got
times.
some dents, so you shot it a little bit.
Yeah. So I'm going to sign us off with. I'm Kurt Woods signing off with a machine gun.
Wow, kitty got claws.